and today we're gonna play this game. Yeah, I hate it when it turns like this, and I don't know that there's only 2 people, but let's go to another. So I right now saw 44 people playing this game, and I was like, liar. Are you kidding me? On the same place. Okay, guess so. Worth it. Yeah, it took me. And I hate that song. Not this one, the other one. The Avarat. Okay, that one. Yeah, this is difficult. I want to tell you something and adopt me, so I'm going to tell you. Okay, guys, so right now I'm just going to tell you that I am making a neon snowcat. Yeah, I'm not private. Because I'm going to be making a neon snowcat. I'll show my inventory. So right now I didn't got scammed, but there's something secret. Yeah, Cutter. Cutter is actually fully grown, so I can't make any tasks of it. Snow is actually newborn, and making neon is great. So if you guys could just easily, let's go to a server and see if people will give me, oh my god, a snow cat. It's because I'm gonna be making a neon. Okay guys, so right now we're just gonna public Adami server just to let you know. I'm not actually VIP because it kind of costs too much, and I don't want to spend that much of my Robux. Just to let you know, I'm just going to make it my canyon after all. So, we're going to ask people for more snowcats. Just one, a pinky one, and none of them had one. Like, my friends don't have. What if your friend don't have? What should you do? Gotta grind for it, duh. Still worth it. Oh my gosh, I'm so close to Junior. Why is it so easy? But posting, it's already the end of your world. So hard. Like, I sometimes see people and just go like this. Almost there and done. Oh my god, I'm so excited to make my own neon. Like, if I made a neon, it's my first time of all. And I won't trade it forever. I'll call it so good. If you had a one line, oh my gosh, yay, thanks. I'm gonna ask, yeah, people kind of have the new pets out. Yeah, dogs, hydras, wolfhanger, Kyrian, many things. Girls tell me, what do you want, huh? Want what? I'm gonna put this. What do you want for it? Are you really gonna accept for one snowcat? Flyer. Accept. Do you hate the name Ashley? Yeah. I'm type no. 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 I really hate that name. I didn't know kangaroos were pregnant. Yeah, Bomb has big secret. Oof. Oh my god. So easy to make a neon. So I'm so close. Okay, let's go anywhere and let's talk to people. I hope people chat. Let's say to this girl, hi. Hi. She's away. Hi. Man. I need a snow cat, please. What does she get? I need a snow cat, please. Oh, I love one of this many shots. Okay. I guess today we're gonna play a dummy, as you can see. Huh? He looks so girlful. Like his body is girl. Okay. Oh my God, she's so kind. I didn't know people are that kind. Can you accept my request now? Yeah, oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Can you put it? Where's my snow cat? Oh my God! And oh, are you really gonna? Actually, I didn't ask for that, but snow cat, snow cat. Nah, right pig. I didn't ask for that. Not rude pig. Okay then. Like, any New King don't like Sasquatch. Why don't you like it? No thanks. Hi. Can you give me a snow cat? I don't have just 3. King. Yep. Let's ask her. Ara! Can you give me a snow cat? I don't have 3. Just 3. I'm making neon. For my vid. Okay. Can you just understand in here? Oh, she isn't here yet. Trading rat poster for a posting or full grown artist. Miss. I'm just gonna ask her that. Okay, how does he easily have that and asks for it? Oh my God. Oh my God, this girl right over here. Hi, miss. Hi, miss. Okay, her name is Caitlin, but I still don't care. She left. Okay, I guess I'll stay grind for this. What if I have 2 full grounds? And 1 more, and I have 3 full grounds. Want to make... my name's Ashley. Disgusting. Bah. You really think so? Oh my gosh. Like, people are like this. Rapid. Trade. Rapid. Trade. And, like, me. Grinding. Trade. Grinding. Trade. Say what? Right. They are. Dot. Alice. Okay. I'll give you a clip to tongue. Yeah, I did find this clip done by a girl. She was so kind to me, and and I was like, okay, it's time for you. Oh, okay. You can go camping if you want. Let's go to our Blue Rider. Just kidding. I don't like the Blue Rider anymore. I could give away it for you guys. Yeah, the pumpkin controller. Let's go camping. And like that guy with a neon dog. I'm searching for it. And I can't make a neon dog because it's really kind of hard. It's easy to make a neon snow cat. Boing! I'll say to her, please, snow cat. Please, snow cat. I accept your request. Please. I don't have one, sorry. It's okay. It's okay. Ugh, people are so kind. They don't have and they really want to give me. And it's really still okay. It is still okay. Wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe right now if you didn't. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget my name is Unicorn. And I guess that's the end of the video. Subscribe, like, and comment. And I just got 5 members in Rainbow Planet of my group, and I was like, and like people, oh my god, I want a shout out. I'm like, okay, sure. And I don't know how to shout out, but you can guys just tell me in the comments of this video only, not other videos. Okay. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe right now, and the neighbor kangaroo will wait for you tomorrow. Bye! If you didn't subscribe, that kangaroo will eat you. Bye!